In this video, we're going to show you how we installed our composting toilet and how we get it ready to use. With the help of Liz's dad, we created a custom wooden base for the composting toilet. We had to cut a hole for the black tank plug to fit into since we had removed the regular toilet. We created brackets for the toilet to fit in. After that, we coated the wooden base in a resin to help it be water resistant. The composting toilet has a fan, so we had to cut a hole in the wall to let the fan through. Make sure you hold it with your foot. We ran the cord for the fan through the wall where it can be plugged in on the other side. Before we put the composting toilet in, I wanted to show you how we have it set up in our bathroom. That red cap is the top of our black tank. We removed our regular toilet and installed a custom-built wood frame on the bottom, along with these brackets to hold the composting toilet in place. That tube is going to be connected to the fan of the composting toilet, which blows any air inside of the toilet out of the RV, and that cord coming through the wall is to power the fan, which we have the cord plugged in behind all of this.
Basically what we need to fill our composting toilet is, this is the top of it, which you have to take off to fill the bucket where number 2 goes. Anyway, so this unlatches and slides off there, and you don't need that. And then you need a bucket for mixing up the peat moss right here with water, which is in that yellow bucket. So, I'm not really sure how much we need. I think we just kind of go until it looks good enough. And this is dehydrated compost. You just kind of do it until it feels moist. Not like dripping wet. Probably gonna need a lot more water than this. But you don't want to fill the bucket too full, or else the agitator won't be able to turn. So as you can see, the agitator still turns with a little extra force. So that's kind of what you want, just to make sure you can churn everything up. So that looks pretty good. And then while you're doing it, you could have removed this, but we just left it in because there's nothing in it. So then you move it in here. And if you can see where these little bracket slots are right here, that's where the brackets are gonna go. Like that. And then these little screws just screw right in there. You gotta kind of line them up, and there's one on the other side as well. And then the next thing is putting back on the seat. This bracket, like I was showing you outside, slides onto there. Slides on, and then these are like cookie jar locks. And you're all set and ready to use. This is the air outtake, so that goes across here, and then here's this to power the fan that moves the air out through there. And then if you want to use it, lift the lid up. If you're going number 1, you leave it as is. If you're going number 2, you just open the trap door, and there's there's the peat moss that we just put in there, and then close it when you're done. And the little agitator, like I showed you guys, you just turn that. So the only downside of our rig is that we only have one outside storage, which we're storing the generators in, and that's under here. So we're gonna try to store this in the bed of the truck in a trash bag.
Thanks for watching our video today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Life on 8 Wheels on YouTube and Instagram.